Welcome back to Trimble Tech. In this video, we are going to be installing a virtual machine using UTM, which is a virtualization software on the Mac. I've got the page pulled up here. Just go to UTM, and UTM is a really awesome tool because we can emulate a bunch of different operating systems on our Mac. All right. And again, you can get it straight from here or from the App Store. But what I like is that it's based off of the QEMU project, and it has a nice gallery, which makes our lives easier when it comes to getting other machines. So this is the gallery. In here you can see we're able to download a bunch of different Linux distributions. We've got Kali if you're into cybersecurity, ReactOS, SunSpark, Ubuntu, 14.04 ARM versions as well. Really nice. Windows 10, Windows 11, even Windows 7, Windows XP. And these are one-click deployments. But today we're going to talk about getting the Mac virtualized. So I've already got it started in the background, macOS Sequoia, but I'm actually going to show you how I did that. And it's easy. Once you get the application, you're going to launch it. You're then going to say create new virtual machine, and we're going to choose to virtualize. And from here, we're going to choose macOS 12. And here's the option if you want to download an older version or a different version of the operating system. You can get the IPSW. If you want to go with the built-in OS you're using, you can just click on continue and it will download from the Apple Store. And for RAM, I would say if you are on a M4, this is an M4 Mini, I've got 16 gigs of RAM. I'm going to choose 8 gigs of RAM. I'm going to choose the default cores as well. Cool thing about this is that we can always change it. Hard drive, I'm going to leave fine at 64 gigs since this is just a demo. And then I'm going to give it a name, macOS YouTube Video. And take a look at our settings. We'll save it. And then it's going to automatically reach out into macOS and go ahead and download everything that we need and do some of the back-end configuration. I'm going to close this for now and come back and we'll continue on macOS Sequoia. All right, and it just finished download. So let's go ahead and begin. Let's say yes. Fine, so this is saying that would you like to install macOS? If it's existing installed on the primary drive of this VM, again, this virtual machine will be erased. This is not going to affect your own host machine. And let's see what this thing does. I have never virtualized macOS on my VMs. It's always been Windows machines as well as Linux machines, but this is going to be for demo purposes. I'll go ahead and pause and come back when there's something on the screen. Okay, so that was pretty quick. In fact, let's go ahead and continue. We're gonna make a local account on this machine. We're not gonna do the old Apple ID, so I could, and you could if you wanted to. But performance seems to be pretty good so far. It is nice and big as far as the resolution. That looks good to me. We'll continue. Not now. Continue. Let's say not now. That's pretty cool. I could totally use different Apple accounts and we'll see. We'll do a setup later. And I'm going to skip that. Yep. Agree. Yep. Looks good. So I'll just give it Ian. I'll call it, Ian. And give it a password. And yep, that looks fine. So this is not bad. This is actually pretty good. It looks great. And yeah, that's fine. We'll turn that on. And I'm not going to share and set up later. Continue.
The colors of the skies begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
All right. Very good. We'll go with him. We'll choose auto mode. Okay, look at that. We are now on a Mac inside of my Mac. Pretty groovy. It didn't cost anything. Let's continue. Let's change our wallpaper and go with a, what do we want today? I can't make this bigger. Here we go. Underwater. Ooh, the mouse is in default mode. I gotta fix that. So wall pictures. I like how they brought back some of the old wallpapers. Let's do Big Sur. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. And let me fix my mouse before I go crazy. I'll be under scroll direction. Scroll speed. Let's see what we got. That's fine. This is not the one I want. I want, nope, not scroll speed. Maybe it's direction, mouse and trackpad. I know it's here somewhere. Switch control. Anyway, not important. We will continue the journey. So, like I said, we got a whole Mac environment inside of a Mac environment. Let me configure the time. Maybe that's under preferences. Date and time. Here we go. It is the, I'm not input time. Let me change that. And let's go ahead and choose Louisiana or Chicago. Fine. There we go. 12:30. Fantastic. So that is good. Let's see if we can browse. I think we're good to go, but let's do a quick browse test and see if we have internet. Most important thing. Let's go to apple.com, and that looks beautiful. Let's see. Let's test. I think we tested our sound already. Let's go to YouTube, see if it plays. That's the. Oh well. Maybe let me try this. We'll check PS3. Maybe that's better. Okay, there I am. Okay. Glad to say, I hope I exist. All right. That's all right. So yeah, it looks like we are good to go. Let me lower the sound here, and let's try that. Oops, let's lower that sound, and let's see if it plays. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Green is black. No, there it is. Okay, that was weird. Oh, I was talking at first. Okay, got it. Okay, well, yeah, it looks like it's playing pretty good. If you ask me. Yeah, settings. Yeah. Fantastic. 1080p. Let's do full screen. Yeah, looks really good to me. Okay, that's a win. So let me go ahead and pause this video. That must be new. Okay, so yeah, it looks like everything is working just fine there. Yeah, so this is a success. Free Mac with UTM. All right, I'll see you in the next video. So in this video, we are going to be quickly getting your Mac a lot of software. So this is going to be setting up your Mac 2025, everything that you need to be productive. Let's go ahead and begin. So I like to get my Mac started with a bunch of different applications. So I'm going to go to Mac Apps link, and this is a tool that's going to let us download all of the applications we want with one script. So this is a great one. Saves me a lot of time. So you just click on what you want. I like Firefox. Let's do Chrome, Brave.